Hello and welcome, it's KB here. In this video, I'm gonna compare BlueStacks and LDPlayer. So BlueStacks is one of the most, actually one and only the most popular Android emulator. But when it comes to performance and game support, it isn't as good as you think actually, okay? So I have made a separate video on LDPlayer and I showed you guys why I use it. I'll put a link in the description for that video. You can go there and watch that video. I don't want to waste your time. So let's just begin with the comparison. First of all, I'm using same settings on both Android emulators and I haven't done any changes whatsoever, okay? They are using same amount of CPU and RAM and the resolution, all right? This is the only thing I changed in BlueStacks. I changed the resolution to 1080p. Before this it was 900p. I don't have much games downloaded in BlueStacks because I don't really use BlueStacks. I have just like 2 games, Battlefield and Ark Survival, downloaded in BlueStacks, and I think it will be enough to test out the BlueStacks and LDPlayer. So I'm gonna actually launch Battlefield game on both Android emulators at the same time. They are both on the game's main screen, all right? You know, they are actually using almost same amount of CPU and RAM. Sometime maybe the VirtualBox had less front end, that is actually the LDPlayer. Sometimes that may be using more than BlueStacks, but they are using almost same amount of CPU and RAM. But if you look at the game screen, this is the latest Android game called Battlefield, just in case if you don't know. This is the LDPlayer, all right? And this is the BlueStacks. What is this? Look at the graphics quality. There is a huge difference. And trust me, I tried to change the graphics settings in BlueStacks. I set to medium, high, very high. It doesn't matter because the game itself thinks that this is a low-end device, all right? That's why I can't change the graphics settings. Where in LDPlayer, it will come as a medium graphics selected, you know, by default, which means this game thinks that this is a higher end device. All right, that's why the graphics looks way better in LDPlayer by default. Okay, here I am inside the game in BlueStacks and look at this. Wow, amazing graphics, and game feels really laggy, like it's lagging hard. All right, you can see the lag, all right? And I can't see anything actually. It is so bad. Now, if I switch over to here, actually I need to go there. LDPlayer here, okay, you can see graphics are much better. I think I haven't set up the key mapping correctly in LDPlayer. That's my bad, but you can see the game looks like 100 times better in here. That's my friend. This, you can see, I can see the enemies, I can play, it's playable, it's clean, whatever you wanna say, all right? Where in BlueStacks you can see it's not playable at all, okay? You can see the lag and the, I don't know what to say. BlueStacks, you know, you should do something. I don't know. All the other Android emulators are way better than BlueStacks. BlueStacks is one of the most popular and well-known Android emulator, but when it comes to performance, I mean, it's really bad, to be honest. I have made a video on BlueStacks versus Player X, which is another Android emulator that I also use actually, but that thing is still in beta. And there are things that doesn't work, but the performance is actually better than BlueStacks. I have made a video on that too. You should watch that video. That video is also fun to watch if you like Android emulators, by the way. And BlueStacks actually uses more CPU than compared to any other Android emulators, usually. Yeah, That's what I can say. I mean, just look at this. Okay, BlueStacks is using 30% of the CPU, where VirtualBox, which is actually the LDPlayer, is using less CPU all the time. All right, sometimes it goes up and down, but you can see here I'm not doing anything in the game, and the both games are loaded. The graphics is like terrible in BlueStacks, but still it's using more resources, so that's really bad. Right? I mean, okay, I have no words. Okay, so let's try one more game, which is Ark Survival. Actually, this game doesn't work on BlueStacks. Okay, I'm gonna actually, maybe it will work, who knows. No, it just crashes. But if I launch that game in LDPlayer, it loaded. Okay, it will load actually. Here is one thing about the Ark Survival game. There is no Android emulator which can run Ark Survival, because this game requires you to have a Vulkan support. Even though LDPlayer also doesn't have Vulkan, but it works. Okay, it loads the game successfully, and we have the option to enable and play at your own risk, and actually the world will not render correctly, but it runs the game. That's the point. Okay, and actually there is a Android emulator which has the Vulkan support. That's this Android emulator called BlueStacks X, and actually it does have Vulkan, yes. But the thing is that the Vulkan thingy in Android emulators is new, and the Android emulator itself is new. It's still in beta, and sadly it doesn't work here too. Even though it has the Vulkan and everything, it should be able to run the Ark Survival game, but sadly it doesn't. And another thing, problem with the Ark Survival is that there is a problem with Ark Survival when you install on a Android 12 device. So I don't know if they fixed it or not, but that's something, you know, there are so many things going on with the Ark Survival. I really wanted to play this on a Android emulator, but sadly, you know, I couldn't. Maybe we'll have to wait for the update for Ark Survival, and maybe it's the BlueStacks X which is causing the problem, but it does have the Vulkan support. This is the one and only Android emulator which supports the Vulkan, but sadly it's still in beta and some games still doesn't work. That's that. Now I think now you know enough. You know which Android emulator is the best. Yeah. If you want to play almost all the Android games in, you know, better quality, plus uses less resources, less CPU, less RAM, go for the LDPlayer. It's, trust me, it's way better than the BlueStacks. And yeah, that's all I have to say. But if you still have any question or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment, and we can have some chit chat in the comments too. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.